Hey everybody, welcome to this post Mother's Day market update on this lovely Monday. So I hope you all are excited for it. I hope you had a great day spending time and thanking your mothers for everything that you do. But let's get into it because the market's heating up, lots of stuff going on. So let me share my screen with you. So we're back to covering just the past week with the market. And the numbers are interesting. And I think you guys are all going to like this to a point. So actives, we actually hit 4,000 actives for the week. That is literally the most for the year. So we've seen a big jump in actives, and that just is signaling, like I mentioned on the last one I did 2 weeks ago, we are starting to move into the summer months. So expect to see more actives hitting the market. On the other side of it, the week of May 1st, because the more actives starting to come on the market, they were getting gobbled up pretty quick. So look at the amount of buyers that closed that week, just seeing the peak of it going really, really fast, more solds, like we're moving. We did have a little drop off after that week of those that closed, but you know, we're selling the homes. We just need the inventory to sell. So I have tons of buyers looking and the homes are just not out there. All right, median sales price. We did see a slight drop off week over week, which is fine. It's going to be like that, like I mentioned, throughout the week. We've had several that have had a little bit of drop off and then came back stronger than ever before. But median in the area, like for example, Orange County's hovering almost at 400,000. Seminole County's at 380. Volusia was around 300 for the week. 373.5 was at Lake County, and Osceola hit 410,000. So I don't know what's in the water in Osceola, but Osceola is definitely boiling over there. Now days on market keep getting less. So 7 days, 8 days, I mean, all single digits. We've had a couple double digits earlier the year, but that seems to be the past. So literally we get no more new inventory. This is what we're going to get. So word of thumb, I've seen people thinking the market's hot. I'm just going to go ahead and list my home, do for sale by owner, and it will sell. That is not the case. Without an experienced agent helping you, guiding you what you need to do, and then marketing the property properly, doesn't sell. I typically am seeing the homes that are actually prepared and marketed extensively are selling a lot quicker than the homes that are taking a bit. And the ones that are selling a lot quicker are not just selling quick, but they're getting above dollar. They're getting all these crazy wave contingencies that you read about in the news. So just to let you know, you can't just put your home out there and see it sell. It does not happen. So here are some of my thoughts of what I've seen this past week, just looking at the data. Again, active listings have increased substantially, and we expect to start seeing that keep ticking up throughout May and then go into June. If it doesn't, we might have a bigger inventory issue than we realize. Now, what I think is going to push it a little further and possibly speed us up in the summer months is going to be the Fed. The Fed raised rates on Wednesday. So, and what that's going to do is it's going to push people off the fence. There's been people on the fence waiting for certain things. And now with the Fed wanting to increase rates because it'll eventually impact the mortgage rates, they're going to want to jump in. Now, just to make sure everyone's clear, when the Fed increases the rates, they are not increasing the mortgage rates. They are increasing the rates that banks buy money from the federal government. So the money supply. So it will indirectly increase mortgage rates, but it does not happen instantaneously. But if you look at it, at the beginning of the year, we were in the low 3s, and now we're in the low 5s. So it's obviously going up. Median increase is poised for a strong jump this summer. I do predict that because we're going to start seeing with the increased rates, more people are going to want to buy, sellers are going to want to sell and find a new place too. And it's going to reduce that inventory. Reducing that inventory is going to cause the supply chain to still be off and demand is going to be higher. So we're going to see another jump. Again, if you have any comments, please leave them. I'd love to connect with you. Here's several ways for you to connect with me. I love sharing this information with you, keeping you informed so that we can be here to support each other. So, and if you ever have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great week after Mother's Day, and I'll talk to you next Monday.